Have you ever listened to a symphony by Mozart or Beethoven and thought, this just feels perfect? There is a popular theory floating around that the secret behind this perfection is a magical number, the golden ratio. It's that famous 1.618 you see in art, nature, and architecture. The idea is that the most beautiful music structures its climaxes and sections according to this exact mathematical proportion. It sounds amazing, right? A universal code for beauty hidden in our favorite classical pieces. But is it actually true? Today, we're going to separate the myth from the music and find out if the golden ratio is a composer's secret weapon or just a really good story.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurious, where curiosity meets science.
Let's start with where this idea comes from. The golden ratio, or phi, has been fascinating mathematicians and artists for centuries. It's found in the spiral of a nautilus shell and the proportions of the Parthenon. So it seems natural to look for it in music, another field where harmony and proportion are key. People claim that in many famous symphonies, the climax hits at exactly 61.8% of the way through the piece. This would be the golden moment. You can find countless articles and videos pointing out these moments in works by Debussy, Bartók, and even Mozart. They'll measure the number of bars before and after a key change or a dramatic crescendo and voila. It matches the golden ratio. But here's where it gets complicated. When musicologists and mathematicians take a closer look, the evidence starts to fall apart. The first problem is measurement. What exactly do you count? The number of bars? The number of seconds? Do you include the introduction or just the main part? Depending on what you choose to measure, you can find the golden ratio almost anywhere you want. It's a classic case of confirmation bias. We find the patterns we're looking for. One study analyzed hundreds of Mozart's piano sonatas and found that the golden ratio appeared no more often than you'd expect by pure chance. It turns out that finding a ratio of roughly 2 to 3 is pretty common in any structured work. So, if composers weren't intentionally using the golden ratio, why do so many pieces feel so balanced and satisfying? The answer lies in music theory and human psychology, not a single magic number. Composers are masters of building and releasing tension. They use established forms like the sonata form, which naturally creates a sense of proportion with its exposition, development, and recapitulation sections. The development section, where musical ideas are explored and tension builds, often takes up a significant chunk of the piece, leading to a satisfying return to the main theme. This creates a natural climax somewhere past the halfway point, which might be close to the golden ratio, but it's a result of storytelling, not calculation. Our brains are wired to appreciate balance, contrast, and a clear narrative arc. We love when a piece builds anticipation and then delivers a powerful resolution. Composers understood this intuitively. They knew how to pace their music to take the listener on an emotional journey. Think of Beethoven's Fifth Symphony. That iconic four-note motif appears, disappears, and transforms, building incredible tension until it finally returns in a triumphant C major. That moment feels powerful because of the journey we took to get there, not because it hits a specific mathematical marker. While some 20th century composers like Bartók did consciously experiment with mathematical structures, for the classical masters, it was all about emotional impact and established musical forms. So the golden ratio in symphonies is mostly a myth. A beautiful and compelling one, but a myth nonetheless. The perfection we hear isn't from a hidden mathematical code, but from the genius of composers who understood how to craft an emotional experience with sound. It's a testament to human creativity, not a universal formula. The real magic isn't in the numbers. It's in the music itself. What do you think? Have you ever felt that golden moment in a piece of music? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this dive into music and math, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.